Mary Queen of Scots came to Edzell Castle on her very first progress to the north of Scotland when she was 19 years old. She stayed at Edzell Castle for 2 nights. Royal courts like Mary's would travel often as her entourage was quite large, and they would quickly use up a castle's water and food supply. Human refuse would also quite literally pile up. Each castle would have to be thoroughly cleaned, and Mary's furniture, tapestries, and bed hangings would be packed up and sent to the next castle ahead of her. It was also the financial responsibility of the host to pay for all the food, lodging, and entertainment during the monarch and their entourage's visit. In the course of Mary's travels during her reign, she stayed with 82 different hosts.